it's harder to determine whether someone engaged in insurrection, for instance, than whether someone's 27 or 35.
Whether or not former President Donald Trump took part in an insurrection was the core part of a case heard Thursday.
An insurrection has always been defined as a concerted, forcible resistance to government authority to execute the laws.
The plaintiff in the case is arguing that Trump's role in the January 6th Capitol riot disqualifies him from office. Their argument is based on the 14th Amendment, which bars anyone who's taken an oath of office and participated in an insurrection from holding office. The former president's counsel disagrees.
Our position is that you simply read the allegations of the petition, you look at what's in the public record, and it's clear from that that this does not rise to the scope or scale of an insurrection.
The question of whether former President Trump took part in an insurrection, while pivotal to the arguments made by both sides this morning, may not even be the deciding factor in the case. It appears that the judges were more caught up with whether they have the jurisdiction to decide that in the first place.
That's why we have a U.S. Supreme Court, which is where this probably should be decided, and that's how it will get decided.
Another lawyer representing the Minnesota Republican Party argued that the precedent would cause a rift if it were settled differently in other states.
They're inviting you to create essentially a 50-state standard for who's going to determine what an insurrection or what treason was. Minnesota may have a determination on what that is. South Dakota likely will have a much different determination on what that is.
Reporting in St. Paul, I'm Quinn Gorham.